Guys, look at these children outside. My boys outside. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry guys, greetings. Big up yourselves. Big up yourself. Hope you're having a blessed day. But guys, these lots of they going outside to play. Yeah? And by my belief, can you believe the boys are on the trampoline? Guys, look, it's snowing. The trampoline is filled with ice. Look, it's like Iceland out there. And these lot are out there jumping. Like, I'm gonna tell them to come in a minute because they're gonna freeze. And they don't know any difference because they're enjoying themselves. They're gonna think that, okay, it's cool. I think one's coming in. Coming in his sleep. No, not in the face. I'm not going out there. I'm on the inside. Looking out, guys. Look, you can see me inside. Me not go outside. Look, I'm at inside me there. Me not going out there for love now, money. But I am going to be going out there, but not at this specific moment. It is too cold. I'm going out there in a bit with them to play. Be careful! It's bare ice, look. Look, trampoline full of ice. Ice on the floor. Ice. But yet still, them lot is they want to play. Ashley's coming in. I know Ashley's going to come in first. Even though I lie still, I want to go out there myself because it seems like bare fun. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to have to take a piece of this, mate. Them alone can't have all of the fun. You're mad. You could go there for a piece of the cake. Shaquari coming out. What if Kwani could come? Watch me. Watch him. He's crazy. He the craze. He the craze guy. Ross. Let me see how long they can last. They've been out there for about 5 minutes. Listen! Jesus, please, then get away. Then get away. This guy's running in. This guy's out. Frostbite. Shakai, what's wrong?
I can't feel my hand.
Can't feel your hands. You can't run it underneath the water. You have to just come in and get warm. What's that? Can't even. You are crazy. Why'd you take your shoes off? You're meant to keep your shoes on.
What, on the trampoline?
Yeah. I should put out. Snow. The snow is still falling, guys.
Mom, my feet are snowy.
Just dust them off. Take the shoes off. Leave them out there.
Yeah,
And thingy, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Beer Snow. Yeah, guys, like, share, and subscribe, guys. And thank you for all my new subscribers, guys. Stay blessed. Peace and love all the time. Stay safe. And enjoy the weather. One love.